Good afternoon, everyone watching and listening to me. First of all, let me thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself. I am Dr. Ramakant Sharma, basically from the soil of Madhya Pradesh, from a new district, Ashoknagar. For the last 20 to 22 years, almost I am in Bhopal. I have done my graduation, my post graduation, and my doctorate from Barkatullah University, Bhopal. For the last 18 years, I have been associated with Bansal Group of Institutes. In this group of institute, that is Bansal College of Engineering, Mandideep. I had started my career as a lecturer in this college, and from lecturer to assistant professor to professor to controller exams, registrar, dean academics. I have worked in several capacities in this college. Presently, I am given the task of coordinating exams and a challenging job to look after first year, to groom the first year students, and I am doing so. I have worked with different strata of students and guided them to scale new heights, new horizons in their career. Although I love my present role, but what I feel I am ready for a more challenging job which really excites me and which demands sharing of knowledge from one generation to other. With my passion for learning, mentoring, guiding, and a sportsman, and two, writing on socio-political, I wish to work as a mentor, guide with holistic approach for a new platform, a bigger platform like IIT Gurukulam. Definitely, my zeal will make a positive impact as well. My greatest contribution, what I think, is that I have acted as catalyst, a guide, a facilitator in shaping future of many underprivileged students and change their lives and their society as well. As administratively, I have advocated a false alleged case against my college and I emerged as a winner. What I feel for the position, what a person must have, he should be well organized, well versed, and good communicator as well as articulator. One should be visionary and a patient listener also. One should have art of building a rapport among students and as well as faculty members and to be part of them. Basically, this key role demands visionary leadership, direction, consistent efforts, and coordination within the school to reach the target, what the students have seen and what the students have dreamed. The principal's main focus is on to develop and maintain educational programs must include all the latest learning pedagogies, all the latest technologies to create a conducive environment in which the staff perform in the best of their capacities to add skills and values to their students. Basically, what I have seen, the role of mentor is to guide, is to give a helping hand, is to build the analytical skills that helps in understanding the subject and as well as to make a good citizen of India tomorrow. Initially, I had been in learning for new technos because I was not a techno savvy and computer savvy person. I am planning to learn Python. Also, I am learning to use the technology for better understanding of subject and to share my knowledge and experience to the budding engineers. One of the basic challenges this position is to meet the discipline and to ensure the safe environment, or rather conducive environment for learning and growing. All the challenges what we see today is about attendance. With the advent of new gadgets and gizmos, students are more distracted, or rather say more familiar with these gadgets, because nowadays parents are pampering and fulfilling their demands by providing latest mobiles that increases, or I can say it gives a chance for coming or becoming friend with new games on online as well as offline. So we have to create interest in subject by exemplary narrating the subject in story forms and bringing back them to classes. Every institute, every principal, and each of us faces, we have to counsel them, we have to handle them very carefully, or I can say we have to build a relationship or ownership in the institute as well. Once they have the feeling of belongingness, once they are related to us, definitely they will come up to our call. And another important task, what I feel, is motivation. Motivation is to achieve the target. Motivation is not to have phobia of failures. To cope up with failure, to cope up with distractions of advent of gizmos and gadgets, to make them concentrate, we must have a good playground, and we must dissipate their energy that they are distributing here and there in the field. I personally feel that games also play a key role in overall development of their persona as well as their holistic development. Once they are in ground, they are filled with oxygen, with new oxygen, they can convert this oxygen into their strength and they can perform very well. Thank you for patiently watching and listening to me. Thank you very much.